Hello everyone, I am Upasana Taneja. So today we have very interesting question which says that find number of integral values of a for which given equation has integral roots, right? They are saying that, did you see this, integral values of a? That means a is an integer, right? And then they are saying for which given equation has integral roots. So roots of this equations means values of x. That means x is also integer. So x also belongs to z, right? Okay. So if you have a integer, you have x integer, then x plus a will also be an integer, right? We need to learn to observe, okay? So now look at this question. I will write it as x plus a and x plus 1991, and I will take this 1 on the right hand side. It will become -1, or you can say like subtracting 1 from both sides, okay, balancing the equation. So x plus a multiply x plus 1991 is equal to -1, right? Now look at this. We know this is an integer, right? And this is an integer because x is an integer. So x plus 1991 will also be an integer. That means this equation is telling you that product of two integers is -1. Now what are integers? Integers are positive and negative whole number, right? Positive and negative whole numbers. So this number will be whole, like -1, -2, -3, 1, 2, 3, like that. 0. It cannot be fraction 1 by 2, 4 by 5, 6 by 7, nothing like that, okay? So that means product of two whole numbers is -1. This implies two cases. Case 1 says if x plus a is 1 and x plus 1991 is -1, then you will get product as -1, right? You cannot have any other cases, since we know that this and this are integers, right? Okay. So and case 2 will be that x plus a is -1 and x plus 1991 is 1, right? Either of them is 1 and another is -1, right? Okay. So from here, when you take it to right hand side, you get minus of 1992, right? So minus of 1992 plus a is equal to 1. This implies a is equal to 1993 in this case. And you were supposed to find the value of a only, right? Find number of integral values of a for which given equation has integral roots, right? And from this case, you will see x is equal to 1 minus 1991. That is minus of 1990, right? So x, and x is here. What is x here? Minus of 1990 plus a is equal to -1, right? It will become this and it will give you 1989. So a can either be 1989 or 1993, right? This question was not hard at all. We just need to observe this type of question whenever you have this kind of equation, right? So I hope you understood this. If you wish to watch more questions of this type, then please visit my channel. And if you like to watch math riddles, if you like to solve them, you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram and TikTok as well. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.